Meditation for broken heart, soul and mind poetry. The cry of an oppressed child. A gender-based violence poem. Always when I look at you, it's as if I am dreaming. It's as if I am watching a horror movie, and soon enough it will come to an end. But reality hits me. This is the reality of my life. I am going through oppression and abuse. My soul is shattered. My head is spinning. My mouth is failing me. Loud I cry, oh Lord, when will this ongoing torture end? I am even opting for suicide. At least when I am gone, I won't be tortured. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. I would give you the world as long as you don't punch my face. I would nurse you as long as you don't beat me. I would run errands for you only if you could see me as your child. But your abuse has turned me into a freak. When I see you, my body shrinks into a shiver. In you I saw a father figure. I always found refuge in your name. For you are my father and my elder. But you don't see me as your child, as your daughter or son. All you see in me is a sex object, an object to fulfill your sexual desires, a sex machine. It's wrong enough to see a mother having a blue eye. When I ask her, she tells me she ran into a window. But deep down, I am heartbroken, for I know the truth. Every night, I hear a scream coming from the bedroom. You beating my mom. Can you see I am young? That I am not supposed to be exposed to this abuse? Can you see that I am vulnerable? You are destroying my confidence. When I walk down the streets, it's as if everyone sees the abuse I undergo through daily. I want to report you, but you are the breadwinner. How else are we to live with? With you arrested, life would be a struggle. We would spend days starving and struggling for survival. But your abuse is tormenting me. I am exasperated and perplexed. Endless questions go through my head. Should I report you? Or should I keep enduring this endless torture and pain? Or should I just take my life and have everlasting rest from pain? I am only 18. I don't know anything about intimacy. My body is the reason for my pain. When I pass people, men, stand and watch. Their lust is so disgusting. That look in their eyes is undressing me at a distance. If I had the power, I would punch them all in the face and tell them to stop gouging at my body. I come to you desperate, seeking for help. All you see is an opportunity to take advantage of me, an opportunity to sleep with me. You are supposed to be my elder. You are supposed to be the reason or the person I look up to. But all you are after is to satisfy your wicked desires. Where is God's love in people? Where is humanity loving another person as yourself? My world comes crashing down on me when I narrate what he did. I am judged. I'm the one who seduced him. I'm not supposed to be conspiring against an important man. Oh, how ignorant this world can be. Was he supposed to molest me publicly? Was he supposed to molest me publicly for you to believe me? I am a liar before your eyes, a deceiver that spreads lies. But deep down, he knows he molested me. He molested me without mercy. But my God will fight for me. Only hatred, fury and anger I have towards me. They left me a bitter taste in my mouth. Who will rescue females and children from the hungry lions we call men? Oh God, eradicate gender-based violence. Women, children and vulnerable people need safety too. They need love and care, for they are human beings too. We all are children of God. Down with gender-based violence. Down.